Ugh. I look constipated in all of these. Let's fix it. Okay, I'll head on over to Canva and make a catchy thumbnail. Pop into YouTube Studio, upload the image, and... Okay, I'll head on over to Google. How to upload custom thumbnails for YouTube Shorts. Oh, nice, vidIQ. Check, 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 check. Nope, 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 nope. Nope. So I'll head on over to YouTube Help. Shorts thumbnail not displaying. Oh. Looks like I'm not the only one having this issue. You may have hit these roadblocks as well, but you may not have been on YouTube as long as I have. When the platform first started, you couldn't upload custom thumbnails. So clever people figured out a workaround, because even back then, people knew the importance of a good thumbnail. The hack was simple. Know which frame YouTube auto-generated the thumbnails from, then add a custom thumbnail to that frame before exporting the video. Let's see if it still works. First, I made a video with the timecode baked in. Then I exported a 59, 30, and 15-second version of that video. Then I duplicated these videos with a different background. I wanted to see if YouTube was selecting the same minute marker from each video, or if the length and content of the video made a difference. Spoiler, it does make a difference. So then I uploaded the video a second time to see if YouTube would pull the same frame again. Double spoiler, it did. Armed with this info, I tried to upload a short to my channel with a custom thumbnail. I edited my video and added the timecode on top. Then I exported and uploaded the video. Frame 252. I swapped out frame 252 for a custom thumbnail and then posted it again. But this time, YouTube chose a different frame. They must have gotten wise to this tactic, although I'm not entirely sure why. However, YouTube chose the same frames from the other videos I had uploaded. This gave me hope. I tried again and again and again. Each time swapping out different elements, moving things around, and experimenting with my fingers crossed. Unfortunately, none of my attempts worked. And then it hit me. It's too much. The stark change from my face to this graph confused YouTube. So I decided to try a more subtle approach. I removed the custom thumbnail and changed the subtitles at frame 252. I crossed my fingers and hit upload one more time. Then it happened. I officially had a custom thumbnail on my short. It was displaying correctly in Creator Studio and, most importantly, on my homepage. Success. So should you start doing this right away? Probably not. The cons outweigh the pros in my opinion. YouTube currently doesn't share custom thumbnails for shorts. However, you can still upload a custom thumbnail, and they've shared them in the past. Just look at this vidIQ blog.
Would you look at this?
So they'll most likely share custom thumbnails again in the future. Achieving a custom thumbnail this way required multiple exports and uploads, and I had to include a glitchy spot in my video. Plus, it probably won't gain many extra views. You see, most views come from the Shorts feed and not via search or channel pages. So at the end of the day, I wouldn't recommend using this tactic. However, I would recommend watching this video on how to make better thumbnails. Matteo found it helpful, and I think you might too. Thanks for watching.